It hasn't gotten to this now. And why are you bringing someone else into our relationship?
Get out of your marriage.
No. Please get that shit out of my face. Are you mad? Are you stupid? Come on.
I'm gonna stop you. Don't
Bro, what the fuck, man? What's happening here?
Please come, let's go.
Go here. You got the...
Get out! Get off my face.
I'm sorry. Jesus.
Please come on.
Dad, will you get that shit off my face? I'm shit. Are you mad? Get that shit off my face. What's up, guys? This is your boy Ben Cash, and I'm here today with this beautiful and endowed lady. As you can see, please turn for the camera. Yeah, that's not why we're here, please. So the reason why we're here is boss lady wrote me, and she was like, "Now my friend, and she say, she don't understand the way a man they do. So please just tell them.
Hi everyone. Ben here is my friend,
Okay.
And I have this boyfriend of mine that I love so much, and he just proposed as well.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I just want him to help me and prank him.
Okay.
Because there is something fishing. I feel like there is something that he's hiding from me that I really need to know.
That is not sincere, Abby?
Yes, of course. So I want him here to help me and prank him. Let me see his reaction.
Okay. Now that he has proposed, why didn't you do it before now?
There is something fishing, okay? So I really need to know that thing. I want to find out what is the problem.
Okay, we'll do it. Do it. You know my Gina, you know now. Okay, now, this will not be like those ones on Facebook. This one is my friend. So I'm going to help my friend out of this. Yeah. So I pray this thing works too, because I want my friend to marry.
Yes.
So now, what plan do you have? How do you want us to do it?
Okay. I really want to. Let's do it this way. Like, I'll walk up to him, tell him that I have a child.
Okay.
Like, I'm married. I was married before.
Okay.
But I didn't tell him. I have not told him that I have a child.
Okay.
So I want to see how he will
react. Okay. Yeah. You want to tell him, okay, you've been married and you have a child with that your ex-husband.
Okay,
to see his reaction. But I feel like, okay, that idea is cool. Pride, what do you think? And the reason say make we do and say no, don't tell him that you've been married. Just say you have a child.
Okay.
You've not been married. You've never been married.
Okay.
Tell him you have a child of 4 years.
Right.
Okay. And so let's see his reaction.
So you think that one will go?
It will go.
Okay.
Now I know men with the quick verse, not lie. So you get one of my friend over at the brink come again. When I go see something for this Facebook.
Oh, watch out and see.
Let's go to his house. Come.
Okay, no problem.
Stay tuned. Yeah, come. Yeah. Oziama, we are going to his place now, right?
Yes, of course. Like, guys, this is gonna be boom. Watch out and see.
What if he breaks your heart? Now you're happy. What if he breaks your heart?
I can't come and go now. I don't want a game before.
Okay. That's why I don't propose to you. Alright. Left or right?
That thing should go right. There's that thing I'm suspecting. I think I'm gonna find out today. Serious.
Okay.
My instinct is not lying to me.
But I don't break what God has ordained. If you be say you know they do anything and your mind, you know sometimes your mind just wants to mess up with you.
Get one kind, some pukere waka movement so I don't understand. No worry.
Alright.
Yeah.
You know what you're saying. Now you did it time. So let's go.
Let's go, my dear. You know these days I tire. You should say never break my heart.
Me, I know they break my heart. You don't know me.
My G.
I don't miss you.
I appreciate you.
Alright. Boss lady, where are we going to now?
Actually, I'm heading to my hobby's house.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me call him and actually to know where he is first.
Oh yeah, call
Let me
him.
call him.
What does he do?
He has office this way. I think he's into real estate business.
Okay. Call him. Put the phone on speaker.
Baby.
Hi, honey.
Hi, love. How are you?
I'm fine. Where are you?
I'm actually at the office.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hope you've had something to eat.
I'm yet to go out to get something. I ordered for food though.
I'm
But
close to your
I'm
office
just
right
waiting
now.
for them
Hold
to
on.
bring my food.
Okay, no problem. I'm close to your office, okay? So I just said, let me just come over to come see you.
Wow, that is so nice and lovely of you.
All right.
Can't wait to see you.
Okay, no problem. I'm coming, okay?
All right, baby.
All right, take care. Love you.
Love you too.
Mwah.
Okay. Now, where we're going, left or right?
Straight.
Straight.
His house is by the left, okay?
Okay.
Then, this thing will walk.
I pray it works. So this one I don't do proposal and you didn't do this test all along. But it's alright. Where's the piece?
Oh, just there.
Here.
Here. Just back by this way.
Okay. Now do you know what happened? Since it's inside, I'll park here.
Okay.
Then I'll do like we've not seen before. So we'll just park the car around here.
Yeah.
Make sure you bring him down to this under this tree.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I'll
I'll reverse. I'll just reverse. Okay.
No problem.
Alright, you hold this phone.
You see recording?
Yes, it's recording. Okay.
Alright. Hi
I'm
guys.
waiting.
Okay. Just
No, don't worry, just go.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you. Welcome.
आप जिस व्यक्ति से संपर्क करना चाहते हैं वो अभी व्यस्त है कृपया थोड़ी देर बाद कॉल करें आपने कॉल करा व्यक्तिगत
The food.
Don't worry, just hold it close to your phone. Wait, is it coming?
Yeah, it's cool.
It's coming.
Yeah.
When it comes here, just tell him this one is too hot and you don't want to go inside.
Okay.
Okay,
Sure.
bring him to this place.
Hi. Hello, baby. Yeah, what's up?
How you doing?
I'm fine. First, how's work today?
I'm alright.
Okay, what are you doing?
Come on, my foot has been hurting me, so I had to change my.
Oh, just come first. There's something I want to tell you. Come. Just come. I said you should come.
Have
Follow
a
me.
surprise for me.
Oh, yes, I have a surprise for you.
Damn, you're looking so good.
Ah, thank you.
Now,
I'm fine. Cool. It's just that I'm a bit hungry, but there is something important that I really want to tell you first, okay?
but we'll solve the food problem first.
Don't worry, just leave it first, okay? Just go. The sun is a bit hot. That's why I dragged you to this place, okay?
Alright.
Yeah. Honey,
What's it you can't wait till after work?
there's something that I would really love to share with you.
Okay. Go ahead.
I'm so sorry that I didn't tell you all this while before you proposed to me, but please, just don't find it funny, okay?
You know you can always talk to me. Come on, talk to me. I'm here with you. What's the problem?
Okay, honey, okay, fine. I have a child of 4 years from my ex-husband. I'm sorry I didn't tell you all this while. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry. Please don't get mad
Why are you
at me.
telling me now?
Please.
You have a child?
I wanted to tell you before you proposed. Please, I'm begging. Please, I'm begging you. Please, don't call.
No,
don't cut it
it's
off.
fine. It's fine. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I'm okay with
Are
that.
you sure?
Yeah, I love you now. Come on.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, sure. Well, you know, it seems like this whole thing just worked out together.
Worked out. I don't get it. I don't understand.
Like, I was actually trying to tell you something too, but I don't know how. Though it's not that serious, you get. It's not all that serious. You know, before I met you, before I proposed and all that, I had a fling somewhere.
A fling?
Yeah,
What kind of
yeah,
fling? I don't
not-
get it. Just speak up.
It's not that serious.
Okay. Yeah.
I have a child with someone.
What?
Though we are not together, it's just it happened a long time ago.
I said it. I said it. My instance is not lying to me.
Said what?
So you're co-parenting, right?
I'm just taking my responsibility. It's not as if we are together.
I don't get it.
Don't
So
get
all
it.
these things is true. Yeah, like I've been seeing you switching on and
what
off.
are you saying? What are you saying?
What do you mean by
now?
what I'm saying? I don't get it.
Jesus.
So you're comparing with someone else. Ah,
Please.
God. See, let me tell you, this whole thing is over. Okay?
What do you mean?
To hell with your child.
Are you joking with me?
I don't get who is joking with you.
Yeah.
And do not ever.
But you just explained something to me, and I'm telling you the reality of what's happening.
Men and women are the same thing. Now the same thing. Does it look like we're the same
What
thing?
are you saying? In
Why did you
essence?
tell me all this while?
Come on, I was going to tell you.
Oh,
Okay.
you're going to tell me maybe when I'm married to you and you just all of a sudden you bring someone in.
No.
Don't you ever again call me. This whole thing, I'm cutting it off.
We are getting married, and you're telling me not to call you.
What kind of marriage?
Come on, I'm sorry.
What kind of marriage?
Baby, what's up?
Don't you ever! Don't you ever! And please, this is your engagement ring. Take it off.
Good afternoon.
Ben, what's up? I told you. Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you?
Hold on.
Didn't I tell you? Night has happened.
Who is
This
this?
guy have a wife. Not even. He's telling me he's co-parenting. What kind of rubbish
said
co-parenting
he's
is that?
co-parenting.
What kind of co-parenting? He has a
It
child
has
and a
nothing to do with this, and why you
wife.
bringing someone
He
else
has.
into our
Fuck
relationship?
you. Get out with your marriage.
Please get out of my face. Are you mad? Are you stupid?
Don't
Come
call me. I'm gonna slap you. Don't do
Bro, what
that.
the fuck now? What's happening here?
Please come. Let's go.
Bro, you can't say.
Get out! Get off my face!
Sorry.
Ben, please come and move this.
Get out of my face.
Ben, come and move this car.
Are you mad? Get out of my face.
Guys, I got him.
Yeah, Kaki.
I said, she goes,
Yeah, Kaki.
you know what? Don't you get? Don't come. I said she not come here. Don't she ever call me. Bastard. I told you. Night has happened. All those things I was telling you, everything that I've come to is true.
Sorry.
He's there. He has a baby. He didn't tell me all this. Why? He's telling me, can you just get the fuck out of this place? Fool.
Sorry, boss lady, calm down now. I didn't say you be hard guy, calm.
This is so difficult for me.
Yeah, sorry. When did you meet this person?
Can you just imagine? I just wasted all my whole year. I just met him a year and 3 months. That means that all these things are just waste.
No, just calm down now. Thank God you even discovered now. But the thing is, I feel like
I'm not doing this so.
you for marrying like
I
that.
swear.
No. See, having a child is not a barrier. But I just feel like, say, him lied to you for that 1 year and 3 months. Do you get? So, if he lied for you,
So, as I mean, if I didn't tell him about my own, he won't disclose his to me as well.
you not tell him about your own, you pranked him. You don't get picking. You don't get now. Eh?